The manual setting for the Orbit 1 outlet hose faucet timer is just done by holding the button that says manual. Is that close enough? And then it'll default for 10 minutes. It'll run like if it's extra hot out. You can hear it click. You can see the droplet telling you that how many minutes it's been operating. Now, you can't actually adjust it during the function, but to stop, you can turn it off with the dial and hear it click, or you can, well, you have to have it on auto because once it's done with the manual cycle, it'll default to the automated program that you already have set. So you can have it be 10 minutes, you can have it be longer, you can have it be less. It'll go faster if you hold the button down. There's your tutorial on the manual button setting for the Orbit 1 outlet hose faucet timer.